Hare's trying to get there so fast. He's trying to think of everything. He goes in the hot air balloon. The hot air balloon breaks. Oh no! At the starting line, while Tortoise simply took his time. "See you in New York, I trust," said Hare, leaving Tortoise in a cloud of dust. Where's the cloud of dust? But Tortoise had a cunning plan. Although Hare had set off on the double, he very soon ran into trouble. Swiftly, Hare flew out of town. But what goes up must come down. As he crawled across the land, a suitcase clutched his tired hand. Hare's trying to get there so fast. He's trying to think of everything. He goes in the hot air balloon. The hot air balloon breaks. Oh no! He's exhausted, right? Yeah.
What is this?
Let's see. Hare's next move wasn't any easier. He found himself all the queasier, bound for China on a boat while Tortoise simply stayed afloat. Hare asked around, and soon he found an airplane that could fly him fast. Then from Hong Kong, he left. So he's going on. He took a plane. For days, he went across the ocean, flying with a lurching motion. So it wasn't any wonder that he ended up down under. Australia! Look at the kangaroos.
Yes, what? They have boxing gloves on them.
Kangaroos don't wear boxing gloves.
Yes, and Emma.
Yes.
This one is trying to box Hare.
And I see, and the bunny is on a pogo stick trying to get away, right? Now, kangaroos are jumpy things. I think their feet are made of springs. So when poor Hare gave them a scare by falling on them from thin air, they thumped and bumped him up and down and quickly bounced him out of town. By surf and ski, Hare made his way across the water until one day. This is the story of our trip, Ray. Poor Hare, he was sadly deflated. It turned out that speed was overrated. So the moral of the story will stay, slow and steady wins the day.